Dear MBA students, I am Mrityunjay Poddar from MBA.com. This is my third video on MBA Project work. Today I shall refer live cases from Indian market and tell you how to do your MBA project work on marketing management, right from selection of a topic till commencement of your work. I have two requests to you. First is, please listen to this video till its completion. And my second request to you, if you still have problem, please do not hesitate to contact us through our website or through our Facebook page. Students, you know we have more than 6.5 crore micro, small, medium or large enterprises in India, but smaller number of strong brands of big companies, and they dominate our mental. Also, many big brands have achieved multi-crore turnover in Indian market. For example, MDH Masala. It was started by Mahashay Dharampal Gulati, and he commenced his journey from a small shop in Karol Bagh area of Delhi. Another case is Nirma washing powder. Promoter is Mr. Karsanbhai Patel, and foundation stone of the company was laid by him at the backyard of his modest house. But both are successful brands. What is the common in these two success stories? Can you tell me? Yes, let me say. Maybe the deep connection of the creators or promoters of the brand with the company. Or maybe vision of the creators made these brands successful. How Karsanbhai Patel of Nirma saw the middle class longing for a detergent powder in India. Why at that time we had surf or soda, nothing in between. If we take examples of multinational brands in India, first example will be McDonald's. Founders of McDonald's could saw hungry people traveling long distances, so they put their shops on the highways of different countries, and today it's a household brand. Fred Smith of FedEx, which is a courier service, he visualized importance of speedy and certain delivery of thousands of companies were created, but most of them vanished over a period of time and no trace in between. Maybe due to desire to make money without understanding the business or absence of a vision or branding strategy. Let me give an example. HMT was a brand in Indian watch market, but HMT visualized watch as a time-keeping machine. Whereas all Titan, its vision was looks and appeal of watches made it a household name. So we can say branding is a double-layered activity or double-layered entity. It's a product plus something like time-keeping machine as well as looks. Okay. Now let us consider another example of successful brand, that is men's best, that is our banyan. Why we use it? We use it as insulation of our body, or we use it because it will absorb sweat from our body. But there are few successful brands in men's vest industry. How? Which one is? It is Rupa. The slogan is Ye Aaram Ka Mamla Hai, means something like product as well as some benefit. So I'll give you another example from deodorant market, deodorant brands. Like a successful brand is Fog. We know deodorant is not a rocket science. Purpose of deodorant is to absorb the odor of our body. But Fog has introduced a concept that it is deodorant and not gas. Most consumers do not think in terms of products or brands. They look a product, what benefit they are getting from that product or a brand. So students, from all the discussions we had about different brands like Nirma, MDH Masala, FedEx, McDonald's, then Rupa, then Fog, we can conclude that some brands succeed due to some strategy. What are those strategies? First one may be deep connection of the creators or the entrepreneurs with the product. Second may be presence of founders or the creators' vision. Third may be understanding customers' needs and wants. Fourth one may be a products plus strategy, that is Titan watches. And fifth one may be benefits they are providing to the consumers or to the customers. So students, formulating a strategy for branding is the first essential step for any successful brand. Strategy is first and must, but real challenge lies in execution of the strategy. Like in the absence of good efforts and investment in production, quality, consistency, distribution, communication, after sales service, no brands can be successful. Therefore, we can conclude a detailed study on branding strategy of any successful brand or enterprise can be carried out as part of your MBA project work under marketing management. If you still have any difficulties to start your MBA project in marketing management or branding, please feel free to contact us. Thank you, students.